Good morning, everyone. I am your mediator. I request you to introduce yourself, stating a part in this mediation process.
Hello, ma'am. I am Mrs. B, wife of Mr. A, and I'm a housemaker, ma'am.
Okay,
Hello, ma'am. I am Mr. A, husband of Mrs. B, and I am a salesman.
okay. So, first of all, about me, I must tell you that I have experience in matrimony matters, and therefore, you guys totally relay in this mediation process. And I hope that we can reach an amicable solution to your problem. Are you guys okay with it, English?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are okay.
All right. So I have to tell you something about mediation process. See, mediation is an informal, voluntary, and most importantly, totally confidential process where
Yes,
any
ma'am.
information shared by any party is neither recorded and nor shared in courtroom. My work here is only to facilitate you guys in reaching your amicable solution and while being impartial. I will
Okay,
try
ma'am.
to know the priorities of both the parties and see how can we resolve this your problem. Let me tell you some ground rule of mediation. Firstly, we will have a joint session where both of you will present at your side, and in case we need, we also have a private caucus. What is private caucus? It is a private session meeting with you where you can share with your confidential inquiry. We can set agendas. In those agendas we will have all your problems. Let me just state it there, and if is there any query, just ask me. So guys, do you have any query?
Yes, ma'am. I have a one question.
Okay.
Actually, ma'am, you were telling about private caucus. I just want to know that in case I want to enter into a private caucus session, so for that session, do I have to apply a day earlier? I have to write an application to you or something else, ma'am? Can you just tell me about it?
No, actually I have already told you that this is an informal process where you can just tell me between the meeting to share something confidentially, then we can move our private session.
Okay, ma'am. Clear enough.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
I have a question. Ma'am,
Yes,
I have a
please ask.
question. As you said that we will have a private session also,
Yeah.
and if I reveal my confidential information to you, will you reveal that confidential information before court or not?
See, I already told you that you and if you just want to anything you want to share with me, and this confidential inquiry neither recorded and nor shared in any courtroom. So you guys just relay in this mediation process. This is totally confidential between us.
Okay, ma'am. Clear enough. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yeah.
See guys, your case is litigating process is about 2 years, and I must tell you that this process is much more efficient and it will take a lot less time. Guys, I can't tell you what the exact time it's taken, but yes, it will take a lot less time, and I hope you are patient enough, and then we will reach an amicable solution and of all your problem, and all your issues will be settled. Um,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you for your response. So since everything is clear now, we will be heading towards our joint session. And I
Okay, ma'am.
request to both of you, please be in your best behavior and refrain from using any abusive language. Is that clear to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
enough.
Okay, so now we will head it towards our joint session.
Ma'am, when I married with him, I was like, this marriage is going to be like a fairy tale marriage. I am doing a love marriage. He loves me a lot. But soon, when I realized that he is totally disinterested in our marriage, he's not giving time to me, he's not giving time to our daughters. What I'm going to tell them, okay, it's okay. I realize that I got pregnant at very early age. We were not prepared. We were not mature that much. But that doesn't mean that he shows disinterest in our marriage. I am a girl. I am a person. Now I am a mother. I want very young. We were not mature. But at least if he married with his consent, he wanted to be in
Ma'am,
this
ma'am,
relationship.
now
He want this
even she is not
relationship at that
matured.
time.
Guys,
Yeah, I am a
please,
mother
I
and I am
request you
not
guys,
mature. I am taking care
Yes,
of
you are
your
not mature. You
children.
are only a
guys,
mother, but not a mature woman. You are only
Oh
a
my
mother, but
God,
not a
this is
mature
very
guys,
woman.
I
interesting.
request you to, guys, please, I request you to not argue on this.
Ma'am,
We can
he's
settle
so
this
Ma'am,
matter
irritating. He
ma'am,
just,
peacefully.
she has to understand that life is not a fairy tale. She should
it's
understand
okay,
the reality
fine.
of life.
But you married with me
Yeah.
because of your consent. I didn't force you to marry me. I didn't
Guys,
force
This
you.
applies also to you. You also married me
guys,
because of
please,
your
I
consent.
request
Because you, I agree with you. Okay, okay, fine. If you say I am immature, no, okay, fine.
Yes, you are immature.
Okay, fine. I am agree with it. But tell me,
Okay.
it's
Hmm.
ma'am, even you are a lady, ma'am. You would understand it better. If you married to someone, you have dreams. You have expectations from your husband. You want
I
your
am
husband to
trying to
take
fulfill
care
your
of your
dreams.
children.
I am trying
But
to fulfill your dreams. I am doing
how
my
you are
job.
doing it? You are not even calling me in a day. You are not even asking how's your children. It's been 2 years I left the home. You never called me. You never came
Calling
to
will
meet
prove
the
that
children.
I
What
love
is
you.
this?
No, calling, just a
Huh.
call will prove you that I love
Oh
you.
my God.
If I don't
What is
call,
this?
it doesn't mean I love you.
It's been 2 years, ma'am. House, and he never came to meet us. He didn't even bother to call me that how I am, how is their daughters. It's not only my daughters, it's our daughters. But he never
Ma'am,
called.
she left my room. Ma'am, she left my house. Then she should come back, na?
If I left your house, that doesn't give you right that you should not call me.
Why
Why?
should
What
I
is
call you
this?
if you left my house?
Wow.
Why should I
Wow.
call you?
I'm your
You left
wife.
my house, na?
I am
I
your
didn't
wife.
force you
You,
to.
they are your children. Don't you love your children? You should call and ask at least that how are your daughters. Okay, it's okay if you don't like me, if you don't love me, it's okay, fine. But at least call for your daughters. They are your
Ma'am,
daughters.
she's just
They,
playing an emotional card. Nothing else. She's just
ma'am,
playing
it's not
emotional
about
card.
emotional card, ma'am. I am a lady. I have expectations. I am not doing work. Even after the marriage, I left my job because of
Ma'am,
my pregnancy. I am not
she is
earning.
lazy,
I
but
am
she has
depending
no
on my
emotion, ma'am.
parents.
She
Oh, I
has no
am
emotion, ma'am.
that. Even I
She
don't
is
have emotion.
emotionless, careless.
Yeah. You
guys,
are very
guys,
caring person.
please,
That's why you're
guys,
not
Yes,
calling.
I
That's
please,
am
why you're
caring
not
person. Yes,
asking
I
me.
am
That's
caring
why
guys,
you
person.
never came to meet us. What is
So
this? You
why
are
did you
such a rubbish
leave my house?
person.
guys, please, I request you to not
You
argue
made
on
me to
this.
leave your
Same
Please,
to
house.
you.
You made
Same to
me to leave
you.
your
You are,
house. I didn't leave your house
guys,
because,
please, I request you to not argue on this topic. We can settle this matter in a much better way. Please
ma'am,
first, please first, Mrs. B, Shivangi, Mrs. B first. Then you can proceed. अबे यार, इसको
अब
काट देना.
बता
Sorry, pause
अब
कर
बता
ma'am, ma'am, just tell me. My kids, my both the daughters, they ask me where is father? Why? Where is he busy? Why is not coming to the PTM? Why is not coming for the annual fest? Their friends,
ma'am,
parents come.
she should tell our
guys,
children that I snatched
guys,
you from your father, and you are here because of me, because of my fault.
guys,
Wow,
please, I request you,
Yes,
guys, please, I request you to not argue on this topic. We can settle this matter in a much better manner.
ma'am,
Please
but
first, Mrs. B, please, please first let Mrs. B first and finish. Then you can proceed with. Then we can proceed with Mr. A. So are you guys okay with it?
okay,
okay, ma'am.
fine.
Okay, yes. Please continue, Mrs. B.
Ma'am, I was broken. My kids were missing their father. They were missing his presence in their life. They were when I wake up in the morning now, my daughter she comes to me and she asks when father will come to meet us. I don't have answer, ma'am. What to say, ma'am? Ma'am, just tell me. Ma'am, when I decided every morning he shows disinterest in their child. That's why I had to take a strong decision. I have to leave the house because he was totally disinterested in our marriage, ma'am. I could not
Okay,
see
so
my children suffering every single day because of him. That's why I have to leave. And ma'am, as I told you, it's been 2 years when I made that decision to leave the house, and till today, he never came to meet them. It's kind of mental harassment on me, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't explain it in words. I understand, ma'am. I totally understand. He's working. He's working on a daily basis. He's working on a commission basis. I totally agree with it. That okay, ma'am. That's okay. But at least he should show that he is interested in the marriage, and if he's working hard in his office, then that should reflect in his salary slip, no ma'am. But he's not getting a much pay. If he's saying he's working hard, he's working for us, he's working for their family, but ma'am, it is not showing in his salary slip, no ma'am. He's getting the same type of same salary, he's not earning more. So ma'am, at least what to expect, ma'am? I don't understand, ma'am.
Okay, so Mrs. B, how long has it been since you have left your house?
Ma'am, it's 2 years. It's a very long time, ma'am. 2 years.
Okay, so yes, Mr. A, please you can say now.
Ma'am, as you know that I am a salesman and I am a working person, and I have to focus on my work also, because if I do not work hard, then I may be fired from my boss. So I want to focus on my job, because this that is the main reason behind my economic activity. If I do not focus on my work, then how can I manage my household affairs? She is saying I
Yes,
am not
please.
giving her time. How can I give her time in day when I have to work in my office? I am always available in night, because I have to work from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Then it's my job, ma'am. I cannot available at that time.
Mr. A, she is
Yes,
asking for private session, and after that we will have a private session with you. So is it okay with you?
Okay, ma'am. As you wish.
Okay. Okay, Mrs. B, we are currently in our private session with you. Everything say will be totally confidential. What was you had like you to say and would not sharing in front of Mr. A?
yes, ma'am. Actually, thank you for the private session, ma'am, for accepting my request for this private session, first of all. Ma'am, the way he was not letting me speak, you have seen it, ma'am.
Yes.
We don't. So that's why I just want to share the reason why I am here. Because, ma'am, as a lady, I was accepting a very good life for my marriage. I was accepting a love, care, affection, at least a bit of time he should give me. But he never gave time to us, to me, to my children. Okay, fine, we were immature when we got married. I totally agree, ma'am. We were not mature, we were not in that condition. Okay, we were not financially good, we were not good as in other ways, but I was adjusting with him, ma'am. I waited for 4 years. My daughters are now 6 years of age. I was waiting for it, but it was a very hard decision for me to apply for divorce, ma'am, because I was not, as I told you, ma'am, I decided for divorce. It was a very hard decision for me, ma'am. I had to think for my children's, ma'am, for their benefit, for their future, ma'am, because I could not see them suffering every day for their parents, for their father, ma'am. Because as I told you earlier also, when I wake up in the morning, my daughter asks me, "Did dad call last night? Did dad came?" And I have no answer, ma'am. I could not see them suffering anymore. The day when I left the house 2 years back, it was a very hard decision for me. And then I think, and he didn't contact me for 2 years. No, he never came to meet us. He never came to meet their children. He never called me. So I decided to file a divorce because and I totally realize it, ma'am. I'm living at my parents' place, and it's very difficult for a person, a divorcee woman, to raise their two girl childs. Actually, girl childs, ma'am, raising two girl childs and a divorced mother, it's a very difficult situation, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, it's just like I want a divorce. I just can't see my daughters suffering every day. I could not see that pain in their eyes in the morning, and I could not see that anymore. So I just ask you to for a mutual divorce,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
Mrs.
one more thing, that it was a kind of a mental and emotional breakdown for me, ma'am. And moreover, it's emotional and mental breakdown for my children. So, ma'am, I requested.
Okay, so Mrs. A, I must tell you that litigating this matter will not take you anyway. and the outcome is always unknown, as you know. If I must suggest that you just put your demands in front of Mr. A and see if you come to resolution regarding that. And I would like to ask you about your marriage. What is your take on this?
Ma'am, I can't take this marriage anymore. I can't see my daughters unhappy every day. I can't, even if we think to get to live together, but we will be fighting every day. I could not see them seeing us fighting. I could not see the pain in their eyes, my daughter's eyes. So because of that, they will be unhappy. If they will be unhappy, even I can't stay happy after that. So, ma'am, reconciliation is totally out of any question, ma'am. I cannot
So,
live with that
Mrs.
man anymore.
So, Mrs. A, are you definitely sure? Like I asked you last time, because you know mediation is just not a process to apart that couples.
Yes, ma'am.
Mediation is a process where we can reconcile the couples. So, would you like to, if Mr. A is willing, would you like to reconcile your marriage?
Not at all, ma'am. Reconciliation is out of question, ma'am. I cannot do that. I cannot see my daughters unhappy every day, the mental stress, the emotional stress. Because, ma'am, as I told you, they every day, every time they ask me, where is our father for the parents' meeting? Where is my father for the annual functions? Their friends' fathers, their mothers come for the annual functions. And he never, um, I have no answer, ma'am. I cannot tell you, ma'am. It's so depressing, ma'am. It's
Okay,
like, I'm sorry,
Mrs.
ma'am.
A,
I'm sorry.
sorry, Mrs. B, Mrs. B, please control your emotions.
I'm,
I can
ma'am, it's
understand
very
what.
difficult for me, ma'am. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm so
No,
sorry,
it's
ma'am.
it's totally fine.
It's kind of an emotional harassment. It's kind of an emotional. I'm
Okay, okay.
sorry, ma'am. I cannot.
It's it's fine. Please take your time. It's fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I can see that you already made up your mind, Mrs. B, regarding that. Since you don't wish to reconcile your marriage, you have any other concern as well? Is there anything else you like to say or what demand him that you are expecting from him?
Ma'am, recently I have just got to know that he has received some significant amount of assets from his father. Amounts like ornaments of his mother, jewelries, the property, the house he's living in, and rest of the and some kind of financial money also. So I want him to give us share 80% of that to us in or in favor of my daughters. Actually, I don't want that money from him. I want that money on the name of our daughters. The 80% share he received from his father, I want in favor of my daughters.
Okay,
At least
so
for
Mrs.
their future security, ma'am. I just want it for their future security, for their marriage, for their future benefits, for their education, for unforeseen medical and emergency if it comes. Then for that situation, I want that property and everything.
Okay, so Mrs. B, um, like you want any maintenance like for monthly or in a total alimony lump sum
Ma'am,
amount?
first of all, I want a monthly maintenance for my daughters first. And if he agrees, then for me also. Obviously, I'm not earning right now. I'm living at my parents' place. I want I want money. I can't depend on my parents. They are even getting old because of the age. My dad is not earning these days because of we are living on his pension. So, ma'am, I just want, obviously, I want a monthly income, a monthly maintenance for me and for my daughters, for their education, for their school fees. Right now they are in preschool, so I want money for their upbringing, ma'am.
Okay, so as I see, you don't wish to reconcile your marriage.
Not at all, ma'am.
Okay, so you have concerns regarding your maintenance and future of your daughters.
Yes, ma'am. Futures. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so anything else you would like to share with me in our private caucus?
Ma'am, if he don't give the monthly maintenance, I'll be okay with the alimony money or something if he gives lump sum money at one time.
Okay, so according to you, lump sum amount what? Matlab, how much money you will take from him
At
as a lump
least
sum amount
15
for
lakh of money.
maintenance?
At least 15 lakh. At least 15 lakh. Plus, if we get some unforeseen medical emergency, he should pay for it. And we have some leftover medical, my pregnancy medical bills. So I want him to pay those bills. I cannot pay that. I want him to pay those bills for our pregnancy. They are pending till today's date. It's been so many years. So I want all such things from him. Lump sum amount around like 15 lakh, at least 15 lakh. And the assets from his fathers he got, I want those 80% assets on name of my daughter, not me, on the name of my daughters. I want my
Okay,
daughter's
so
futures. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, okay. So as I see, you don't wish to reconcile your marriage, and you are very curious about your daughter's future. So it's nice. So okay. So anything else you would like to share with me, or shall we proceed to our joint session, Mrs. B?
Ma'am, I one more thing as far as related to custody. Ma'am,
Yes.
the custody I understand even father wants their daughter if he wants, ma'am, actually, because but I haven't seen him in showing interest in the daughters. But if he wants for the custody, then I would be willing to give it custody to him if he pays, or otherwise he supports for the family. He can come for the weekend to meet the child if he wants to meet. Not compulsory, ma'am, but as far as custody, I want most probably the custody should be with me for my children's, because he won't give time to the children also. Till then, they will be unhappy, and I could not see that, ma'am. So custody like that.
Okay. So I'm very thankful you hoping me and you share your confidential inquiry and everything you don't want to share in front of Mr. A. So
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you. So shall we proceed our joint session, Mrs. B?
Yes, ma'am. No issues.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Private session with you, Mr. A. Please share. What would you like to say?
Ma'am, as you see that my wife is very irritating, a very annoying person, and she always don't, and she always blame on me that I do not give her time. And you can understand, ma'am, a working person, how can he give all the time to his wife? So please understand these situations.
Okay, so Mr. A, just the taunting behavior and all you want, these sufficient reasons to not working on this marriage. Is there anything you would like add on something?
Ma'am,
Because this is right now we are in private session. Everything is confidential here. It will not be shared anywhere. So you can rely and you can share with me anything you want to else. Is there anything else you would like to share with me?
main reason is her taunting behavior and her annoying behavior. But apart from this, I have also met extramarital affair. I have a girlfriend, and she is very pretty, and she always treat me very well. So I just want divorce with my wife.
Okay, so Mr. A, I'm very thankful to you for hoping me like this, and I think me getting very clear to regarding this matter. I must tell you that this information is totally safe. But if somehow this is share any other source in came into front the court, and I don't think this will be actually the stating your case, and therefore the best alternative that you have in this scenario is to mediate upon with your wife. And if you don't wish to work on your marriage, you can always have the option of divorce by mutual consent.
Ma'am, I do not want to reveal this before anyone, and I do not want to reveal this before court also. So just try to dissolve this marriage through any method.
See, I'm not going to dissolve this anywhere, but I'm saying if somehow from any other source just came out in the court, then this will devastate in your situation, in your case. That's what I'm saying. Best thing is to mediate upon this and resolve your matter with your wife and see. I can see you don't waste your work on this marriage. She is already demanding for maintenance. What would you like to pay on regarding that?
Ma'am, I will try that this information will not come before court or before my wife also. And if she is demanding maintenance, then please tell me what type of, what kind of maintenance she is demanding, so that I can share my feeling or share my view.
Okay, see, I have already told you I cannot share it with anyone else. Okay, so yes, she is demanding some 15 lakh rupees for her maintenance. And okay, so we will talk in our joint session. Yes, so you are saying you don't waste to pay in monthly maintenance. You would like to pay in
Ma'am,
a total amount or what?
ma'am, as you know that I am a salesperson, I have not so much money, and she is demanding 15 lakhs. That is a huge money, huge amount, and she is very greedy person. As you can see that she is demanding huge money from me. She is just blackmailing me, nothing else. And I cannot give her such a big amount. And I do not want to give her monthly maintenance. I can give her 7 to 8 lakhs in total, nothing else.
Okay, so Mr. A, we will talk in this joint session regarding this amount. So, like you just said to me that you don't work on your marriage, and maintenance you would like to pay her in a alimony in a lump sum amount.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, na? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, is there anything else would you like to share with me, or we can shall proceed our joint session?
Please, ma'am, just dissolve my marriage and nothing else.
Okay, see, I'm not here to dissolve a marriage. I'm just here to mediate you guys. If you want to reconcile your marriage or if you want to divorce by mutual consent, so for that cause, I'm here.
Ma'am, I do
So,
not want to reconcile my marriage.
okay, okay,
It's
we
enough,
can
ma'am. It's
proceed.
enough.
Okay, so is there anything else you would like to share with me?
Ma'am, it may be, I think she may be a good mother, but she's not a good wife. And I want a good wife, and she cannot fulfill that requirement. So I want to marry other person. So I want divorce. Nothing else.
Okay, so shall we proceed to our joint session, Mr. A?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Mr. A. Okay, so heading towards our next issue is assets distribution.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as far as assets cost, I just, as I told you, he has recently got some money, some ornaments from his mother, from his father, ornaments of his mother, and the house. So I would like Mr. A to give major chunk of that share as 80% in the name of my children.
Okay, so yes, Mr. A, what would you like to say?
Ma'am, these assets are given by my father, and the house where I'm living, it was also given by my father. And the jewelries belongs to my mother. And I can give some amount of that asset in the name of my daughters.
It's okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
so will you be willing to be accept that, Mrs. B?
Yes.
Okay, so if I can suggest, we can put those gold ornaments in a bank account and which will be name of your daughters that can be used by them. So is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
okay to you guys?
Totally
Yes, okay,
agreed, ma'am.
ma'am.
Totally agreed.
Agreed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so regarding this issue about assets distribution, we have agreed that Mr. A is willing to part away with the gold ornaments that is to be deposited in a bank account in the name of both the daughters. Okay, guys, so one issue that is left regarding the custody of the daughters. And Mrs. B as you said earlier, you are not willing to share custody of your daughters with
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
A, and Mr. A's
Ma'am,
contention is that he is want custody of the daughter. So yes, please express your views one by one.
ma'am, ma'am, I want that if she want to take study of our daughter, then she can take. But I will- I want that I should be allowed to meet with my daughters.
Okay, so yes, Mrs. B, he is saying that if you are not willing to share custody of the daughters, at least you can provide him with visitations, right, so that he can also have access to your daughter.
Ma'am, I totally understand presence of father is very important in a children's life. So for their holistic development of the children, I would agree for the visitation right, uh, but I do have a condition with that before coming, he cannot pop up anytime, knock at any time of the door of our house. And so before coming, he should ask at least one day before and call me before that my children's schedule is free. So just like that. So that is my condition. He cannot come and knock the door at any
Ma'am,
point
I
of
would
time.
like to prefer Sunday. Ma'am, I would like to prefer Sunday. Every Sunday, I would like to meet with my daughter.
Okay, ma'am, perfect.
Okay, so yes, Mrs. B, he is saying that he is free on Sundays and he can exercise his visitation right on Sunday. So is that agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But
But for that also, at least he should first call and ask me about that because if in that condition, so it's okay.
ma'am,
Okay.
I said I would like to with my daughters every Sunday. Then it is a pre-notice to her that every Sunday I will meet her. Then why should I
Ma'am,
call every time?
ma'am, I am just saying there can be any reason if maybe
Then if
possible
any
might.
reason, then she should call. Na, she should call that I am not available. Then I will come another day.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. So I agree with Sunday visitation with one condition, one more condition that even on Sunday he just should once call me because for knowing the schedule of me and my children. That's it, ma'am. Otherwise, no issues. I
Okay,
agree with the
so we
visitation
can
on Sunday.
okay, so we can always make it subject to your convenience, Mrs. B, and as well as the convenience of your daughters. So that can be made if you both can agree upon this.
Yes, ma'am. Totally agreed. Perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so first issue that we dealt with regarding whether reconciliation is possible, and you both agreed to have divorce by mutual consent.
Yes,
So is
ma'am.
that agreeable to both of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The second issue is that we had about regarding the custody of the daughters, and the custody is to be given Mrs. B with visitation rights to Mr. A. That is, of course, with the convenience of Mrs. B and daughters. So is that agree?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the third issue we had regarding was maintenance, and Mr. A is to willing to give Mrs. B 8 lakh rupees as lump sum alimony along with payments of outstanding bills, education, health, as well as other expenses of daughters. So that is all to be paid by Mr. A. So is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So and regarding assets distribution, Mr. A is willing to give away the gold ornaments that he is received from his mother, and that is to be deposited in the bank account in the name of both of the daughters, which will be given to them in equal proportion. So,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
that is agreeable? Then we will be had towards our settlement agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, since everything is settled now, we will head towards our final settlement
Yes,
agreement.
ma'am.
And once both of you put your sign on the on mediation process, then this mediation process will come to an end. I must tell you that this is totally voluntary process, and once you put your signature, and this will be our settlement agreement. It will be done, and our mediation will come to an end and successful end. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Totally agreed.
Okay. Then we will head towards our final settlement. Let me just revive everything.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, Mr. A and Mrs. B, if you both have agreed to have divorce by mutual consent, custody of your daughters will be given to Mrs. B and visitation rights will be given to Mr. A.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
along with have maintenance clause in which 8 lakh rupees lump sum alimony will be paid payments of outstanding bills, education, health, and other marriage expenses. This will be beared by Mr. A.
Yes,
And gold
ma'am.
ornaments will be deposited in a bank account in the name of the daughters. So, is that agreeable to both of them? Then we will come to an end.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Totally agreed. Perfect. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I, being the mediator, would like to thank for both of you guys for your cooperation and being patient and listening to each other. And it is only because of you that we are able to today end this mediation process in such a successful and guys in such a successful manner and reach such an amicable settlement. So thank you once again, guys.
I would also
Thank you,
like to
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am. So you have been bothering me for past 2 years, and let us come to an available and amicable settlement. So thank you so much for this relief. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, all right.